Is your React Native app lagging because of a slow FlatList? Don't worry, it's a common problem, and I've got the fix for you in just 60 seconds. First, make sure you're using keyExtractor correctly. Each item needs a unique, stable string key. This helps React identify which items have changed, been added, or been removed. Next, for complex list items, implement shouldComponent or use React, PureComponent or React.memo. This prevents unnecessary re-renders of items that haven't changed. Also, use the getItemLayout prop by telling FlatList the height of your items in advance. You skip expensive measurement calculations, which make scrolling much smoother, especially for long lists. Finally, optimize your images. Use smaller compressed images or a library like React Native FlatList to speed up loading. Try these tips and you'll see a huge performance boost. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more React Native tips. Thanks for watching.